keep watching Fasco TV.
Shout out to Fasco TV.
To my channel, Fasco TV. To my channel is my birthday.
So you want to tell us about your birthday?
Yes.
When is your birthday?
It's February.
February what?
16.
16. What do you want for your birthday?
And jollof rice.
And what?
And cake.
Okay.
And beans.
Okay.
And jumbo.
Alright. So
And cake.
alright, so tell them, see you in my next one.
See you in my next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fasco TV. So guys, tomorrow is my son's birthday, being February 16th, and it's not actually a surprise birthday per se. He was already in the know about it and all, he's excited for it, but we just want to do a little bit of decoration before he wakes up in the morning and sees all that. So guys, let's do this. The time is like past 11, so you guys would, if you guys call this a vlog, yeah, fine, but someone is helping with the camera because I can't undo the camera and as well do the decoration, so we'll jump right into that right now. See ya. So guys, we're actually doing a Spider-Man theme kind of party. Our cake, our decor, not so much of a decor anyways, but Spider-Man, because it's one of his favorite cartoon characters, and he's actually asleep right now, and there are some visitors around, my mom, my sister, and Pharrell. That's my sister-in-law, Auntie Mandy. That woman, don't worry guys, we're bringing her very soon to the channel. She said we should not come a video, but let's just leave her. Anyway, so we're going to just do the decoration, and you guys are going to see how it goes. Wake up tomorrow morning now. See by the man. I decided to I want me to get it done. I belong go. How? That's the one they look say what a mother that I have. So that's what she will do for your friend's birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. It's today your birthday. Today is what? February
6.
Yay! February 6. What's wrong with you? Why are you sitting on the floor?
I want to sit down.
You want to sit down? Are you not happy that it's your birthday? Are you happy?
Yes.
You're happy.
Okay.
Your brother's balloon. Your brother is sleeping now. When you wake up, you will play with him. Okay? You will play with his balloon, okay? What's it doing? Hi guys! So we're still in the preparation, as you can see. We're in the kitchen, everywhere is a mess. We're trying to get the cooking on. prepare for our guests that are coming for my son's 3rd birthday. So you guys watch out, right? I'm tired. I didn't get to sleep until 2 a.m. Like, I'm so tired doing the decorations and doing 1 or 2 in the kitchen and all that, but yeah, it's gonna end in praise. Yeah, so guys, please subscribe to our channel, you know, subscribe, help us click the subscribe button, also the notification button, so you get whenever we put up a new post, right? Thank you guys. Yeah, so this is my first vlog, so you guys should just manage it. Yeah, I know I'll get better as the time goes by. Somebody is actually helping me with the camera because I can't hold the camera myself while being in the kitchen, you know. So y'all watch out, you know, watch out for my meal to see the finished results. Cook with Cesar. I said you don't change the song. So guys, you know, don't worry, let her change it so that we can dance, okay? Let her put sound city so we can dance, yeah? Okay, so guys, that's the birthday boy. He doesn't want them to change the song. Oh no, she won't correct me for 2 years. Okay guys, so see you in a bit, yeah? Today, Munachi. No, she don't want this grandma. Munachi, what are you doing today?
Celebrating.
You are celebrating. Nice, you clap for yourself. So we are going to pray. I'm sure everybody knows how to pray. I'm sure in your schools they teach you how to pray. We are going to dance also. Can anybody tell me what this is? Okay, who wants to eat out of this? You two, right? Fine. You two, right? You two, right? Yeah, we're going to pray. I'm sure everybody knows how to pray, right? So let's close our eyes. Now we're going to pray for Abraham. We're celebrating Abraham's 3rd birthday. So we're going to pray for him and every child there that as we are celebrating with him, so are we going to celebrate with every child there in Jesus' name. Yeah. Who can tell me the name? No, you don't worry. You are the celebrant. You get the cap automatically. Who can tell me the name of the person doing party today? Put your hand up. What is his name? Abraham. I think. If you answer my question, Azobo and rice and chicken. So Angela fries. Have you guys heard?
As you see
See, you are the same as you me so. Give me the rock, give me the step, premium step. Nobody special pass. Should be the corporate testimony. Oh, Sarah, play on the line.
We all came here for Abraham's 3 years birthday.
The party was okay. It was fun. I enjoyed myself. Happy birthday to Abraham.
Abraham's party was so interesting. We had fun. Farah, did you have fun?
So we had fun at Abraham's party. Abraham, thank you for hosting us.
The party was lit. It was fun. Thank you guys for everything you gave to us, and happy birthday one more time, Abi.
And happy birthday to Abraham.
I'm with my brother-in-law and
many more in good health.
Yes, for
Abi.
Abraham.
Thank you for coming.
And I want to give a shout out to everyone out there who is watching First Code Media.
Keep watching First Code TV.